going to be replacing the engine mounts on the Z4. This really helps to get there. 16 millimeter on the end of the wobble adapter. Let's see if we can get it out. that was, it wasn't too bad. I have to say, I had to use the blocks of wood to support the engine support bracket because the Z4 doesn't have, hold on, let me show you. So the Z4 doesn't have a continuous metal piece here that you could put the support. So what I did is I bridged the wood from that side to this side, so it wouldn't crush anything, damage anything. All the weight was up here. In fact, you can see a little bit of the scrape mark right there, just a little bit of paint. But all the support was here and down here where all these bolts are. Same thing on this side, right there and right up there. This is where the weight was at. Trying to avoid crushing anything here, so I basically distribute the weight between the support points here and here. I don't recommend trying this at home. Probably not a good idea. But it worked. But I definitely don't recommend, if you haven't done this stuff before, just please be careful. Here are the old engine mounts, and I don't know if you can see if you can get this on the camera, how squished that is. This one's actually a little better. You can see the height from there to there. Look at this one. It is almost, it's like an eighth above. These things are 21 years old, I guess. So now I'm going to button up the cover underneath, and we're going to take it for a test drive.